Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to produce a sound or how to generate a tone within the simulide platform. So how we can do that? First of all, we have all sort of our components available on the left hand side. And you can see that there are a lot of components, but we will write here audio out. And we got our speaker device. Click on it and drag it out like this. And here you can see that this is our audio out or speaker device. So in order to generate a sound, obviously we need a signal. So in order to generate signal, we will just take our clock function. And we need to connect our clock with that of positive sign. And what about the negative side of the speaker? We need to connect it with the ground. Okay, and now our circuit has been completed. Now we will run it out. And okay, now wait, now I am running it out, and now you can see that we got our sound. And we can even change the what's called as the frequency of the sound. So here we will just apply 1 Hz signal and we will see what we will get. Okay, so we got nothing with the help of 1 Hz. Okay, so we will go and we will go for like 20 Hz. Still we got nothing. Okay, now we will go for 200 Hz maybe, and it gives a low frequency sound. So better is to use a frequency from 100 Hz to 1 kHz. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can generate a tone or sound within the simulide platform. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.